time to my class. Now I want to start by showing you how to know the resolution of your phone. The resolution of your phone, please click on the camera on your phone. Okay, so click on the right hand side, those three strokes you're seeing or icon, click on it, right hand side. Okay, so this is it. Now if you want to know because I'm using Redmi product, it doesn't really display the way it should display on the other phones. So to know the video quality, you click on the video, click on the same strokes. You can see where the yellow light, that is my own resolution for my video. And remember I said don't ever shoot below this. No matter what, shoot on this level, 1800p. Now when you are holding your camera this way to shoot, it simply means you are shooting on the landscape mode of shooting a video. Okay, so if you are shooting this way, this is portrait. You can use this for any of your social media handles, but if you are using if you're going to post your video on YouTube, I advise that you use the landscape mode, not portrait. You are welcome to my class. I'm going to start by teaching you how to create a video using pictures. I'm sure by now you must have downloaded CapCut to your phone. So you click on CapCut, click on new project, click on photos, not videos, because we are working with photos, so you have to click on photos. So I'll click on this one, I'll click on this, and I'll click on this. So I'll be telling a story just to teach you how you can add text and other things to your video. When you're done clicking the ones you want to work on, so you click on add, and let me view it for you to see. You can see these are the pictures I imported to CapCut. Now I would like to increase the duration of these photos so that I can be able to add text that will last. Okay, so you just highlight it, click on it, highlight it, then drag it towards your right hand side to extend. The same thing with the other ones too, the same thing. Now I would like to take this to the forward, so I'll just click on it and then drag it, then you take it forward. Okay, so I'm starting with this. Now to add text to your video, you click on text, then click on add text. This will be open to you, and then you can write your text, whatever you want to write. So I'm writing, wow, this lady is very beautiful. Now if you want to space or rearrange your text, you can just click on it, click in between the text, and then click on space. Then this will be rearranged for you. Okay, all right, so this is how you add your text. Now you can change the font of your text. If you don't like what you're seeing, if you don't like this, you can click on font. When you click on font, you have different options, so you can make your choice. Click on this. When you click on it, it gives you different fonts. You're the one to decide the one you think is fit for your video. Okay, so there are many others here, but because of time I will just have to click on one. I like to use this. And you can add style to your text, so you click on styles, to add style to your text. You can click on any of these to change the color too. If you don't like the color, you can change it to something else. You can also add effects to your video by clicking on effect. Just click on effect. When you click on effect, you have different options. Now I want you to take note of something. When you click on effect, when you see pro, please don't click on it. Anytime you click on effect and you see pro, don't click on the one that has a pro on it. Just click on the one that is free. If you click on the one that has a pro, I've not seen it here, but sometimes when you click on effect, it will come. You don't have to click on that pro, because if you click on pro, you may not be able to save your work when you are done with your video editing. Okay, so I can change the style of my font or my text to this, and you can add animations to your text too. To add animation, this pro, now please do not click on pro. I said it earlier, when you click on pro, you won't be able to save your work when you're done with your video editing. So click on the free one, the ones that are free. I like this, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm clicking on this, showing up. Then I click on OK. Let me play for you to see. Alright, so I would like to reduce the size of this. To reduce the size of your text, you just click on the text on the screen and just like click on it and reduce it. Just click on it and reduce it. You can increase it too by enlarging it. Okay, so I want it to be reduced instead, so I'll just click on and reduce it. Alright, now for you to add a text to speech to your text, click on text to speech. When you click on text to speech, you have different voices, male, female, and me, and others. So when they display all of this, you just make your choice. If you want a male voice, click on the male. You have different voices. If you want a female voice, so I'm going to use a female voice for this. So I'll click on this. All this are for you to use. You can test run them to see.
Wow, this lady is very beautiful.
Well, I don't like the way she's sounding, so I'm going to beautiful. She didn't pronounce it well, so I'm going to try something else, try someone else's voice. Sometimes when you are clicking on this to add text to speech, you may experience delay. That's the network, so you just have to